Hello and welcome. This is Rafy. In this video, I'm going to talk about another passive income resource from where you can earn and get paid as a content creator. So even if you are a new content creator with few hundred subscribers, you can utilize Buy Me a Coffee link to earn money in a few different ways. I'm gonna demonstrate this platform with real example. For instance, just take a look. This page is generating passive income for us. So here over the last 30 days videos, we have earned 413 US dollars. If I make this to 90 days, you can see so far we have made 958 US dollars, and mostly these earnings are coming from passive income. So here are few monetization options, and for the first three options we are making money. So first of all, if I take you to donations, you're gonna see so far this page has generated one supporter only, and we earned 5 US dollars from one supporter. That's really fine if you're providing like quality content to your viewers, and if they want to support you on monetary way, they can donate and you're gonna earn money. So now let's talk about membership. If I click on membership, so if you have got like some special content for people who are gonna pay you some money and you can unlock this content for them, then membership is the feature to enable. And so far we have generated like 14 members, and so far in this month or last 30 days period we have earned 54 US dollars, and over the lifetime we earned 114 US dollars, and we started this page around 4 months ago and it is just growing. Okay, now this is the feature from where we are making the most of the money. So if I take you to extras, you can see so far we have generated 172 claims, and over the last 30 days period the earning was 335 US dollars, and lifetime it generated 919 US dollars. Now if you want me to make a video on how we can add extras, like how we can sell digital products, how we can sell consultancy, please let me know by commenting below. I'm gonna make a complete tutorial on that as well to help you out. So if I take you to my extras, from this option you're gonna get like few options. As you can see, you can sell consultation to earn money, you can sell digital downloads, you can sell PDF files with some information or guideline, you can sell templates for, let's say if you are a designer, you can sell Instagram post template, you can sell whatever, any kind of templates which is digitally downloadable, and people can simply pay you, and they're gonna get the download link to download the file and they can start using, and you are going to make the money passively. Simply you have to add the listings and sit back. All right, then I have got this live event ticket, art commission, and this feature which you can utilize to earn money. All right, now let me talk or take you to this wish list page. We didn't try it yet, but we're gonna try. So simply read these things and you're gonna learn about this feature, and hopefully you can earn money as well. So if I take you to commissions, you're gonna see like we didn't try this yet, but you can try and learn. Okay, now even again I have just mentioned, even if you have got like a few hundred number of subscribers, you can start utilizing this feature. If you are providing quality content, you are going to get donations and you'll be able to sell digital products, and it is completely free to join this platform. Now from this publish feature we can create posts to provide any information to our let's say supporters or people who are gonna follow us on Buy Me a Coffee. You can give them some announcement, you can announce any kind of, let's say, off, etc. Then I have got the gallery feature from where you can upload images, videos, you can contact or actually talk with people. People can reach you through message and you're gonna be able to make a discussion, or you can communicate with your viewers through this platform. Then we have got some basic features which if you want I can make a video about to demonstrate how these things works. So now let me show you what I do to earn money. So if I take you to a, let's say, new page, for instance this one, and if I'm already signed in with my Gmail account. So basically you have to visit Buy Me a Coffee now. So I'm gonna attach the Buy Me a Coffee link into the video description for your easy access, and it will be my affiliate link. So if you earn any money from donations, if you earn any money from digital sales, I'm gonna earn some commissions as well, and you can do the same as well. So this is how we are helping each other, and we are actually earning money as well all together. So after coming up here on buymeacoffee.com website, simply you have to provide your name. So for instance I'm gonna type out Rafy in the UK, for instance, then I simply have to click on this start my page, and it is going to take us to the next page, the sign up page, where we have to provide our email or password, or we can sign up using our Twitter profile, Google profile, Facebook page, or Apple ID. So I'm going to go with this option, the Google profile, as I'm already signed in with my Gmail account. So I'm going to click here. After that, I'm going to select the email that I'd love to use. And after that, I have to upload an image here, which is obviously our profile photo. So I'm going to take a random photo from my computer. So let's see. Let's say this one, and I'm going to upload this. And then I'm going to provide my name. You have to put here, obviously. Then you can customize the link. So let's say Rafy in the UK, or I can simply Rafy's UK. I can short this URL, and if you see this check mark, that means you can move with this link, or if you see a red mark here, that means you have to make a change here on your link. That's it. Then write an about section here, or write some details about your page. So hey, I am providing information about relocating in the UK. So this is just a random stuff. I have to optimize this for better performance. And on website or social link, if you don't have a website, don't get panicked. You can simply add your YouTube link. So in this case, I'm gonna get my YouTube link from here for this YouTube channel, and I'm gonna go back and paste this. That's it. Now let's click on continue. After that, you have to select how you're gonna get paid. So if you have got any of these accounts like Wise or Pioneer, you can add them for sure or connect them to get paid. But you're gonna get paid when you'll reach like $20 US on your balance, right? And if you don't have accounts on these platforms, I'm gonna attach my referral link into the video description. You can create your accounts on both of the platforms, and if you use my affiliate link, you will get like first few hundreds of, let's say, transactions completely free without paying any fee to them, right? And I'm gonna get some commissions as well, as I'm gonna refer you to their platform. Okay. And the second option is payout based Stripe. You can connect your Stripe account if you have got one. So I love to go with this one, and you can select your currency from here. If you would love to go with Britain pound or available options, any of these available options, simply select. So I'd love to go with, let's say, get Great Britain pound. Then let's click on continue, and after that it is going to show you your profile page here. You can simply, what are you creating, you can simply put some information, creating informative videos on relocating to the UK, and then here you can update your about section, and you can link some of the information if you want. Then you have got the featured video option, so you can basically go back to your YouTube channel, and let's say I'm gonna add this video. I'm gonna copy this link and go back here and paste it on this featured video. It is going to be appeared here, and after that you can add more information, more social media links. If you have got a website, you can add. So simply click on this add website. After putting information here, this will be added here. And instead of coffee, you can ask your subscribers to donate with beer, pizza, book, whatever goes best with your niche. You can select the option. Then you can choose the theme color of this page. So you can simply choose the colors from here, or we can, yep, here we go, custom. You can choose a custom color like this, right? Then you have got display supporter count. If you want your visitors, your buy me a link page visitors, to see how many supporters already been supported you, then you can simply keep this enabled, or you can simply disable this feature. Then you have got this option to connect your Twitter profile if you want, but I'd love to keep this as it is. So let's click on save, and here we go. My BuyMeACoffee link is ready. I can simply copy this link, and I can add this link to any of the video description, all of the video descriptions, to start earning money. So to do this, I'm gonna go to edit video, and then I can simply put, you can support me with coffees, and I'm gonna upload this link, sorry, add this link. That's it. So I didn't verify this YouTube channel, so it is not showing me, um, not allowing me to put the link, but simply you'll be able to put your link there. Okay, so after putting the link, simply click on save. That's it. You can do this on all of the videos and you'll be able to earn money. And while you create your Buy Me a Coffee page, I would suggest you to add the cover image, your profile picture, which you have used on your YouTube channel or Facebook page, so that people will recognize you easily. Add a cover page which is added on your YouTube channel or on your Facebook page, so that people will recognize you easily. Then people will be simply visiting here. You can make a post from, let me show you. If you click on create, you'll be able to make a post. You can add videos and images, you can add audios, and here's the option for extra. Again, if you need a detailed video, please let me know. I'd love to show you how you can add digital products so that people can download files and pay you. Right now, let's click on edit page again. So this is, we have just completed. So now let's click here. Let me show you what else we can do from my account. You'll be able to update your email address. You'll be able to choose your country, time zone, and other options. You can see your following numbers from here. And then if I click here, you're gonna see your dashboard, from where you'll be able to see how much you have earned so far over the last 30 days period, over 90 days period, and all time, and you'll get more information. So this is a quick recap. My intention was just to show you that if you are a content creator, you can get benefited by adding Buy Me a Coffee link. You can sell digital products without paying a single cent to start your store, and you can earn money. You can get donations. You can sell membership products on your Buy Me a Coffee link. So this is it, guys. If you have got any further question, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. I'd love to help you with creating contents, and don't forget to check out the link. I'm gonna attach some helpful resources, like some other ways I generate money passively, so you can learn from there and you can start earning as well. I have to see you in my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.